What's up, y'all? It is currently Wednesday, September 15th, and I am so excited to have you guys back with me for another haul video. And I also want to welcome those tuning in for the first time. In this haul, we are heading to Kroger, and it's not a crazy great week. There's no huge moneymaker haul that I have planned, but it is a decent week. I should be able to grab quite a few items, so I'm stoked about it and excited as always to take you guys along with me. And I'm gonna try to keep this intro and stuff pretty short because I need to get in there and get home because I am preparing for a stockpile sale this weekend. I am filming as I go as well, so that way I can show you guys exactly how I prepare and execute a stockpile sale. So I'm also really excited to share that with y'all. I know I get quite a few questions, and I'll be happy to kind of have it in a video format with all of the details, so that way y'all can always reference it if you plan your own stockpile sale. So that'll be coming out in the next week or two once I get that all wrapped up. And I will definitely let you guys know when that will be available to watch. So stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, before I run into Kroger, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you have the notification bell on so that way you guys don't miss any of my hauls. All right, y'all, let's head into the store. All right, y'all, let's start off in the clearance aisle. This is actually the first place I always run to no matter what store I'm going into. It could be Walmart, Kroger, H-E-B. I always head straight for the clearance section. And actually at this store, they have these Siete chips for $1.99. There is a rebate on aisle for $2 back on any products, Siete products. And then there is also a $1 rebate on Ibotta. So that's going to make this one bag $1.01 moneymaker. Let's talk about the Kroger Mega Event and what it is for those that may be new to my channel or those that may be couponing at Kroger for the first time. What the Kroger Mega Event is, it is where Kroger offers a $1 discount on participating items throughout the store when you buy at least 5 or more of those participating items. You can tell what is a participating item by these signs right here. If it says buy 5 or more, save $1 each, it is a participating Mega Event item. So you can buy 8 participating products, you can buy 50, you can buy 100. As long as you buy 5, you will get $1 off. So for this example here, I'm going to buy 3 of these 1 by Poise liners. They are $5.79 after Mega Event savings. I'm gonna get back $3 on Ibotta and $3 on Kroger Cash Back, making each box a 21-cent moneymaker. Here is a super easy deal that anyone can do this week. These Neutrogena Original Formula bars are $2.29. There is a $2 off 1 digital coupon in the Kroger app, so that's gonna make this bar just 29 cents out of pocket. Here's another easy deal that anyone can do this week. These Swamp body washes are normally $1.89. They are part of the Mega Event, so you will get $1 off when you buy at least 5 participating Mega Event items. So that'll make them just 89 cents. There is a $1 off 2 digital coupon in the Kroger app, so that'll make each one just 39 cents. So I actually shared this deal last week, but as y'all know, I forgot my coupons. Well, I still forgot my coupons again this week, but I did manage to find one in my purse. It is a $2 off 1 manufacturer's coupon that came out in the 8 inserts. So these Danimal smoothies are going to be $1.49 after Mega Event savings. I'm going to use that $2 off coupon, and that is going to make this free, plus give me 51 cents in overage at checkout. Okay, so this is a pleasant surprise and a nice little moneymaker. These Good Culture Cottage Cheeses are actually on closeout for 42 cents. Today we got a freebie on Ibotta for this, so they're gonna give you back $1.49. So that's gonna make one of these $1.07 moneymaker. I did this deal last week, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it again this week as I'm working towards some Ibotta bonuses. This Daya cheese is normally $4.59. It is on sale for $3.99, and after Mega Event savings, it is only $2.99. Ibotta has a rebate for $2.49. You can grab up to 3. I'm just gonna grab 1 because I don't need all of that, and I'm going to pay just 49 cents for 1 pack. This next deal is going to vary by account, and what it is 1 box of these Cliff Kid Z-Bar protein bars. They are normally $4.29. They are on sale for $3.49 and only $2.49 after Mega Event savings. I have a $1 off one Savings for You coupon in the Kroger app, and that's why I said it will vary by account, because Savings for You coupons vary. Then I am going to pay $1.49 out of pocket and upload my receipt to Ibotta, where I'm going to get back another $1, making this just 49 cents. For our next deal, we are going to be using the rebate platform Aisle. As you guys can tell, I have been using this a lot in all of my hauls, so I highly recommend you guys sign up. In the description, you will find the link. I'm not too sure if there's still a waiting list, but go ahead and sign up, y'all, and start taking advantage of the offers on there. They are great and a great addition to all of the other rebate platforms that we use. If you have any questions about Aisle, please make sure to drop them in the comments. This deal is super easy. We're gonna grab 3 of these Go Macro bars. They are 99 cents after mega event savings, and we're gonna get back $1 for each one on Aisle, making them free. So I'm not sure if you guys noticed or not, but Swagbucks updated the limits that they have on their offers. So this Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust used to be a limit of 1 per month. Now the monthly offers have been updated to 2 per month, and the weekly ones, I believe, have been updated to 3. So I'm super excited about that. I am definitely going to do this deal because I know the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust will go through. So these are $2.99. I'm going to grab 2. Going to pay $5.98 and get back 600 Swagbucks, or $6 from Swagbucks. That's going to make them free. This isn't part of the mega event, so I am going to put this on a separate receipt. So that makes it a little bit easier for Swagbucks to find the items, and for sure, hopefully credit right away. So this is another repeat deal that I did last week, but it is a little bit better for me this time because I did not have the 10-cent Kroger cash back offer last Wednesday, and now I do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab 5 of these. They are regular $2.79. They are on sale for $1.99, and after mega event savings, they are just 99 cents. I'm going to get back 75 cents for each one on Ibotta, and then I'm going to get back 10 cents for each one on Kroger Cashback. That's going to make each box just 14 cents. I am near the checkout, and they have these Snickers peanut brownies. There's no price on them, but I scanned them with the app, and they rank up 60 cents, and there is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, so that is going to make it just 35 cents. For my final deal, I'm going to grab 5 of these super coffees. They are still part of the mega event, and $1.49 after mega event savings. I'm going to get back $2 from Aisle for each one, and an additional $1 on Ibotta. So it's going to make all 5 free, plus a $3.55 moneymaker. All right, y'all, I'm back home, up in my coupon room, and as you guys can see, it is completely bare. As I mentioned, I've been working on preparing for my stockpile sale this weekend, so the shelves are cleared off, and I've taken my plastic shelves downstairs to use for some organization for the sale. So I'm really exhausted trying to get that ready, but it'll all be worth it when it's done. But anyways, let's hop into how my transaction went in store at Kroger and how it went uploading my receipt to all of the rebate apps. So this was a pretty large transaction. It was actually 27 items in total. So I really have a hard time keeping track at checkout when I do a large transaction if everything came off properly, which unfortunately it didn't. It was off by $1, and I noticed when I got home that it was on the Suave body washes. So I mentioned that they were both part of the mega event, so they should have been 89 cents after mega event savings, and then the additional $1 off on 2. But unfortunately, it looks like the e-coupon replaced one of the mega event savings, so I didn't get that extra $1 off, so they were 89 cents. I'm not going to go back to Kroger just for that $1. So it is what it is. So I was kind of shorted there. But other than that, everything came off perfectly. And then how it went uploading my receipt to the rebate apps, I got all my money from Ibotta. I got $19.99 back. Plus I hit 2 $5 bonuses, which is awesome. And then Aisle has actually already credited me back for my receipt. And they gave me an extra $2 for the good culture. So not too sure. So I guess that kind of makes up for the $1 Suave digital coupon that didn't work. So that's cool. So this is actually going to end up being a $4 moneymaker haul for me instead of a $3. But I also uploaded my receipt to Swagbucks and got the credit immediately. So that was great. And then now I'm just waiting on my Kroger cash back to go through, and I'll be all set. So I was really pleased with how fast I got all of my credit from all the rebate apps. So all in all, like I mentioned, it should be around a $3 moneymaker if everything processes correctly, or what should have been a $3 moneymaker with the Suave digital going through, as well as the mega event savings. So not too bad. Again, for 27 items, that is an awesome haul. But that's all I have for you guys this week as far as it goes for Kroger. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye, y'all.